Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Volkswagen key. First, gently pry open your key fob using a small flathead screwdriver, being careful not to damage the casing. Locate the old battery, which is typically a CR2032 coin cell. Carefully remove it and insert a fresh, new battery, ensuring the positive side faces up. Then, snap the key fob back together securely. This simple step often resolves common key issues. Sometimes, after a battery change or if the key loses sync, reprogramming is needed. Sit in your car with all doors closed. Insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position without starting the engine. Hold down the unlock button on the key fob for about 2 seconds, then release. Remove the key and test its functions. This process usually resyncs the key with your vehicle's immobilizer system. If your key fob has physical damage, like a cracked casing or worn buttons, a shell replacement is a great solution. Purchase a new compatible key shell online. Carefully open your old key fob and transfer the circuit board, transponder chip, and any other internal components into the new shell. Make sure everything is seated correctly before snapping the new shell together. This can make your old key feel brand new. A bent or broken key blade can be frustrating. If the blade is just stiff, try lubricating the hinge mechanism with a small amount of silicone spray. For a broken blade, you might need to transfer the blade and its spring mechanism to a new shell, or in more complex cases, consult a locksmith. They can often cut a new blade or repair the existing one. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This ensures your key is fully functional and ready for use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.